Okay, come on guys, take this 72. I'm taking that then. Martha, here. How did you magically move?
I got up and walked.
That's magic. Oh no, take it seriously, okay, buddy? Jose is here. You. All right. If you need help, let me know. There you go. This here is good. The handbook might be a little bit English, but the rest you should say.
Wait.
Right? Okay, you add. Yep, excellent. Very good. Very good. Yeah, fine, okay. The top number first. The top is pressed to the top. You didn't see it here? Oh, that is. Okay, so finished. That goes to the top. So you have y over 44. So we just go y divided by 4. How do you and do division? Rounded by what? No, it's do you have them? You have them? What? Serious? You think so?
This is right.
Yep. How much more to divided by this is y divided by 4, so you multiply.
I think it can be more.
How do you undo division?
What would you ask this one?
That's why I divided by 4. How do I undo division? What question?
See? You did 4 times. Negative 2. You know that from Louis, but you got 4 deep. You
What's wrong with you? Be happy.
I'm glad he's happy.
You saw that, right?
She's talking to them.
You ain't sleep.
Who needs help?
4 plus 3.
Okay, guys, how much longer do you want to finish just the
5 minutes.
number question?
8 minutes. The rest is class. What's
Let's go here.
Is that the
Didn't you see everything?
Yeah, I did. You know what, let's see, our class is Thursday, this is 11:09. You get out 11:09. If you have minus in front of right?
I wish you would. Minus me. No, I thought Allie was your best friend.
This is the review, there's a question similar to this on the test, so you need to do it by your own. You don't know how to do it, that's enough.
Just wait until she starts talking.
So now it's going to be.
have 2 equal fractions.
But like, what about the number one?
Yeah, you're the one supposed to do, just these boxes right here, but nothing else.
Okay, that's.
1, 2 times this. 5 times this is 5 times 2 equals 2. So that's how you have everything here. Okay?
All right, are you done, guys, with the number questions? Is there one more? All right. So for the first one, I'm solving for x, so I'm going to cover that x and get rid of everything on the same side with x. So which one should I get rid of first? Donovan,
What?
what do I do? Subtract 1.5 from each side.
Yeah.
All right. That cancel out. So I have 7x here equals 21. Then what do I do? By 7. So x is how much?
3.
Good. Everybody got this straight? Yes. Now you have 3b, 3. What's going on between negative 3 and b? Multiplication. How do I end the multiplication? Those guys cancel out. B is what? Is this positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative what? How many of you get negative 14? Good. This is, what's my operation? N over 6. What's my operation? Division. How do I end the division? 5. So N is how much? That's how much for 78? That money, 78. Alright. This one, some student has confusion with. Now, what do? Don't I cover the variable and its coefficient? What do I start with?
3.
Adding a 3, right? To each side. So y over 4, 8, those go away. That's 7. Now here, that's, Alias, pay attention. Boys, pay attention. This is y divided by 4. How do I end with division? Multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. Okay? Now, so y is how much? See, it's just step by step. Organize your thinking, see what you're dealing with, what operation you're working on, then undo that operation. Okay? Let's go here. Whenever you see parentheses, what do you do? What do you do when you have parentheses? Distributive property, right? What's 6 times x? 6x minus 5, right?
30.
Good. Now, is this different from the other one? When we get to this point, cover the variable, what do we do first? Add 30 to each side. Now, this is 6x equals 72. Then what do I do? So x is how much? This is distributive property. This is what? What do you see on the same side of the equal sign? Don't you see like terms? Can we combine those terms? Yeah. I know. This is what? Negative 4b. And this is what? Positive 2b. Okay? What's negative 4b plus 2b? Negative 2b. Minus 5 equals, is this hard now? After we combine like terms, we cover the variable. What we have with it? I don't want it. Minus 5. How do I undo minus 5? That's negative 2b equals 15. And what do I do? So b is what? Is it 7.5? Negative 7.5. Good. Don't forget this sign, guys. Because if you forgot it, you will lose part of your credit. Like if it's worth 1 point, I'm going to give you 0.5. And that's a lot. Okay? Now this one. Do you have like terms in each side, on each side? Can you combine anything here or there? Do you have distributive property?
No.
You don't have parentheses, right? What do you have? You have a variable in both sides. Now, what do we need with one of these variables? We need to Move it. We need to move it to the other side. Combine it with the other variable. Now, which one is smaller, 7K or 4K? So I'm gonna do what? Is this 4K positive or negative? So how do I undo positive? Those go away. What's 7K minus 4K? 3K plus 2 is what? Is this 10?
Yes.
No, it's not. That's negative. Do you see the minus in front of it? That's negative 10. Now, what do I do? Cover the variable. Subtract 2 from each side. 3K is what? What's negative 10 minus 2? That's negative 12. You can do it with a calculator. Now, Savannah, did you get this right? How much is it?
You still have the right?
How much is the answer for G? No, it's not. I didn't finish.
-4.
Okay, good. Now pay attention, okay? K is -4. Any question? Now, H was confusing to some of you, but keep in mind, whenever you have a fraction equal to fraction, what's my method? Cross multiplication, right? So I'm going to do this. I'm going to multiply 2 times 10 with what? And 5 times what? Do I multiply 5 by 2x or by 2 or by everything? By everything, because that's multiplied by everything. So 20 equals 5 times 2x plus 2. Okay? Do you understand why I did this?
No.
Why I put parentheses?
Oh, yeah.
Because 5 has to be multiplied by everything. Okay? On the other side. Now, whenever you see parentheses, what do? Distribute the property. Excellent. Now that's 20 equals. What's 5 times 2x? 10x plus what's 5 times 2? 10. We ended up with two-step equation. What do? Double the variable. What do I do with them? I don't want to. We subtract 10 from each side. Those cancel out. 20 minus 10 is 10 equals 10x. Then what do?
Divide by 10.
Divide by 10. How many of you got x1? Good. How many of you were confused and now they get it? They know what to do. Now, I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes to do number 2. Read it. It's pretty easy. You're done. Thanks, here. What is this? What is that? Show me your sheet. Now do this. Huh? Nothing? The stuff I like? What did you say? Okay.
What is
Okay. Did you do it, sweetheart? Did you do that? Did you do it, Purple?
Number 2.
Yes. Alright, pay attention, guys. Look how easy this is.
I know the answer.
I know when you have a wordy problem and or story problem, some of you get confused when it comes to the, especially sometimes the language. Now, let's see how we solve this. You can use the formula. I'm going to write it bigger here. A equals H over N to find the batting average of a batter who has H hits. Now, when I say this formula to find the batting average, which one is the batting average on these letters? Which one of these letters is the batting average? Which one of these variables is the batting average? Represents the batting average. A. A is the batting average. This is how we find the batting average. All right. Now, H is what? H, the hits. All right. And N is what? N is the Do you understand how I identify each variable from the story problem? They said A is the batting average, H the hits, and N times. Okay? Now, if a batter has a batting average of 0.290,000, what number is this? Which one of these variables represents 0.290,000? A, H, or N? A, good, because this is the what? Batting average. I know this is A, so I'm going to substitute 0.290 for A equals. What else? And has been at bat 300 what? Is this H or N? What? N. That's the times 300. Now, how many hits does the batter have? Where do I place hits? Do I know how many hits, or I need to find it?
You need to find it.
Now, can we solve this problem? I have this is equal to H over 300. How do I end do division? So I multiply by what? Good job, Alias. I multiply by 300 both sides. Alright? Now, 300 and 300 go away. What do I have here? H is what? 87 what? What do I label 87? Yes. Okay. See how we work with the story problem? How we process it in our mind? We just identify what are we talking about. Label each variable with its value and see which one is missing. Then substitute those values and solve the equation. Now, this is a formula. This is what we call a formula. Usually, they give you the formula sometimes. Sometimes in geometry, when you get to geometry, you have to memorize some formulas. Sometimes they give it to you. Okay. Sorry, it depends on what formula you're dealing with. Now, let's go next to the next one.
You make dinner every night. Miss Mom.
Yes.
You make dinner every night.
No. All right, number 3. Make a table, find a pattern, and write an equation to model each situation. Okay? Think. Solve the equation, show, and answer the question asked about the situation. Tell. And we already had this problem before in class, 2 times. You remember?
No.
Now, a lawyer charges $100 per month to be put on retainer, one-time fee for a client. The lawyer also charges an hourly rate of $75 for work done. How many hours did the lawyer work for the client in 1 month? The client is charged $700.
700 is the
Now,
total.
let's think about it. First of all, this client, let's explain this question. I would say, listen, I'm a client, I'm going to that lawyer. First of all, right after I enter his office, how much do I need to pay? Just before everything, how much do I need to pay? $100. 700, no, that's the total. Just $100, just like after I enter his office and start working with him, I have to pay $100. Then there's an hourly fee. For every hour, how how much do I need to pay?
75.
75. So, if I went to that lawyer, let's say this is the X, the number of hours, and let's say Y is the money I pay. Okay? Jonathan, are you paying attention?
Yeah.
If I go and work with that lawyer for 1 hour, how much money do I pay?
75.
First of all, I have to pay what? The 100 plus. If I work with him 1 hour, how much money do I pay for that 1 hour? 75. And that's $175. I work with him 1 hour. Now, if I work with him 2 hours, how much do I have to pay? Just like after I entered his office, I have to pay what? 100. That's fixed. That's flat. You have to pay it. Plus, since I'm working with him 2 hours, each hour $75. That's gonna be what? 75 what? Times 2. Okay? If I go to that lawyer and work with him in 3 hours, how much do I pay right away when I enter the office? 100 plus. For every hour, how much do I pay?
75.
Times what?
No.
If I work with him X hours, okay? How much do I pay right after I enter his office?
75 on that.
First, 100. This is a fix. This is a flat fee. Plus 75 what? You see a pattern? If it's 1 hour, that's times 1. If it's 2 hours, times 2. If 3 hours, times 3. Okay? Now, so my equation from here, y equals 100. This is the flat fee. Plus 75 times how many hours I work with that lawyer. Okay? Do you understand how I found the equation? Huh?
Can't you just subtract 100 from the total and then divide by 75?
All right? Now, pay attention. Now, I know how much was this client charged. Which one is the money here, the Y or the X? The Y is the money. How much did you pay total? 100 plus 75 times X. How do I solve this equation now? How do I solve? Giovanna, what do I do? Good job. I subtract 100 from each side. That's 75x. That's 600. Then what do I do? Divide by what? So x is how much? 8 what? Hours. Okay? Was this confusing? Very confusing? $100 flat fee plus 75 times how many hours? You work with that? No? All right, do the last one, please. Please try it. Try the last one. Come on.
Sean Collins, did I get it right? Can you check my digits? Correct? Got it
I need the equation. Which one is missing? What's that one?
Oh, okay, so when something comes back, basically.
All right, pay attention, please. If StubHub, an online ticket broker, sells your tickets to a concert for $37 each. So you pay $37 for every ticket or for all the tickets? When I say each, that's for every ticket, okay? Plus an $8.50 service charge per ticket. That's each or one time?
Each.
I say per ticket, that's each. The site also charges a one-time transaction fee of $14.99. Each or one time?
Each.
One time. So will that be changing or it's fixed? It's flat.
It's flat,
That is flat, right?
right?
That's gonna change. And that's gonna change based on, based on how many tickets you're buying. Okay? So you pay $37 for every ticket, $8.50 a charge for every ticket, but for the whole transaction, you pay $14.99.
What's spell?
Now, what?
What's spell?
Flat. Ah, what the hell, right? I don't blame you. Okay. Now, I'm gonna write my equation. If that person bought one ticket, let's say I bought one ticket, so I'm gonna pay what? $37, right? The ticket plus what? $8.50 for the charges plus what? What else do I need to pay? $14.99 for the what? For the transaction? If I buy one ticket. Now, if I buy two tickets, how much do I pay for the tickets? Do I pay 37 or 37 times 2?
37 times 2.
37 times 2. Plus, will they charge me $8.50 or $8.50 times 2?
850 times 2.
Will they charge me $14.99 or $14.99 times 2? Times 2, what did they say about $14.99 is what? It's flat, one time. So it's $14.99. All right? Now, let's say I'm gonna buy 3 tickets. So 37, this is the price per ticket, times what? 3, because there are 3 tickets. Plus, the charges is $8.50 times the 3. Plus, what about the, which one, the transaction? $14.99. This is a flat charge. Okay? Now, if I buy 4 tickets, that's 37 times 4. The charge is going to be $8.50 times 4, plus the transaction is $14.99. See, the transaction is a flat. It's one time. That's what they say, one time. So it's the same. The changing is the price for tickets, because it depends on how many tickets you buy, and the charges, because it also depends on how many tickets you buy. Now, in general, if I buy X number of tickets, what do? I'm going to do 37 times what? X plus 8.5 times what? X plus $14.99. Do I put X with $14.99? No. How much did this guy How much was the charge? 242, 49. I need to solve this equation. All right? Do you see how I organize the process? No, 37x plus 8.5x. Can you combine those?
Yeah.
Both of them have x. So that's 37 plus 8.5, that's 45.5x plus 14.99, that is 242.49. Okay? Do we have to solve now? I'm gonna write it here. 45.5x plus 14.99 equals 242.49, right? Now what do I do? How do I solve this equation? Alright, I subtract 14.99 from each side. So you have here 45.5x equals, how much is this? Was 240 what? 242.49 minus 14.99, how much is that? 220 what? 7.5. No more diagram. X is how many tickets? 5 tickets. Okay, they have 4.5 tickets.